Today we're making oatmeal bran muffin with raisins. You're gonna need 1 cup of grinded oatmeal, 1.5 cup of wheat bran. We use the wheat bran from the cereal. We have 1 cup of white whole wheat flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of raisins, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You got it together? Let's get started. In your mixing bowl, put in your olive oil, your 1 cup of sugar, your 3 eggs, your 1 cup of milk, nutmeg and cinnamon, and mix well. Add some lukewarm water into your wheat bran, so it can soften. After mixing for 5 minutes, we're going to add in our molasses. Mix the molasses in for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our wheat bran. Make sure it's nice and soft, softened with that water. Now add in your grinded oatmeal, your white whole wheat flour, the 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add in your teaspoon of vanilla and your cup of raisins. And mix well. Our oatmeal bran muffin with raisins are in our jumbo muffin pan that's well greased. And make sure you get about 3/4 amount in there. Preheat your oven to 375, and we're gonna have our muffins in for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep your eye on your oatmeal bran muffin with raisins. Our oatmeal bran raisin muffin out the oven, ready for you to enjoy with your coffee, with your tea, any time of the day. It is nutritious, it is healthy and wholesome. Try our recipe today and enjoy. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for your like. And you can leave a comment and let us know what you would like us to try at Christi's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.